Want less of this and more dazzling performance from your dog? Generally, less poop means your dog food contains the highest quality protein, and his body is utilizing almost all of it. Good dog. Ironically, much of what comes out of that part is called ash, and it's the easiest way to tell how good your dog food really is. But ash is seldom on the label. You'll have to quit browsing puppy pictures on the internet and go to the dog food maker's website. If you want more of his food fueling peak performance and less getting on your shoes, it's worth the effort. Ash is what's left behind after protein is digested. Excess minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. It's useless except to the kid who earns his allowance picking up after your dog. The more ash, the more bones, feathers, tendons, and other yucky stuff was put in the dog food. Good protein, real meat, doesn't have much ash, so it's almost fully utilized by your dog's body. Worse than busting your ammo budget? Those extra minerals can impede his ability to absorb other vital nutrients. Now, dogs really only need about 2% ash content in their food. But to make a dry dog food, the minimum is about 7% to keep things, well, kibble-shaped instead of a gloppy mess. That's what Flick gets in his Dr. Tim's Pursuit formulation. Now, there are some higher fat formulations that'll get up to about 8% ash content. But anything above that, you really gotta wonder, what kind of protein is in that food? So go to your dog food's website and check for ash content of 8% or less. Otherwise, he won't be functioning at his peak, and you'll be hauling ash more often.
Thanks, Tom.
Good boy. That a boy. Get